Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So today's video I have for you a Hobby Lobby clearance find haul. These are some things that I found for under 20 bucks, and if you want to see what's on clearance and what's in store, then keep on watching. So hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, and keeping things fun and functional here for you. And today is a little Hobby Lobby clearance find. So they're doing their red tag clearance sale, and I thought I would stop by and see what's in my local store. In my area, so I'm in the OC, California area, I only have one Hobby Lobby close to me. I think the other Hobby Lobbies, there's like one in Laguna, and there used to be one in Tustin, but they closed that one down. So I was able to find some things under 20 bucks. That was my budget. When I walked in, I was like, no more than $20. So I actually spent 17, but 18 total with, tax. So let me show you what I found. The first thing I was able to pick up were two of the Paper Studio Papercraft kits. I have two, and they're both Christmas. I have seen in other videos that there were other craft kits, but basically I was looking for seasonal items, so I was happy to find the Christmas holiday one. I think there was like one more, like a lodge looking one. I don't think that was specifically for Christmas or anything like that, but you could mix and match if you were doing like a woodland theme or something. So I love these, especially when you can find them on clearance, because these are really great. So that way you don't have to pull your stickers or your paper. It's like an all-in-one. And I am kind of a planner gal. I mean, I used to do paper crafting, but not a whole lot. So I would use these to make dividers for my planners. Of course, you can junk journal with these items, memory keep. They're just really great, especially for the price. So originally these are $6.99. I was able to pick this up for $1.74. You really can't beat that. This is better than finding something at the Dollar Tree, because you get all of these items for $1.74. So definitely, around Hobby Lobby's like red tag sales, scope it out and pick some up. So you get two sticker sheets, and then you get some scrapbook paper here, 12 by 12, and then you get some die cuts for 30. You get 36 pieces, which it says everything here that it contains. And this one's really cute. This is like nutcracker, and it's just very traditional looking. The only thing is, I don't know if the paper is double-sided. Let me just check that real quick. Yeah, so you get this sheet of stickers, and it looks like they're translucent stickers, like the clear stickers. You get these are actually really thick, what's it called? So, as I was saying, sorry, I was interrupted real quick. I was going to say that these are die cuts, which die cuts are a thinner paper, die cut, and then this is more of a cardboard, a chipboard. That's what I was thinking. It's a chipboard. So it's just a little bit thicker than a die cut, and you get 12. So you could do like a 12 days of Christmas type of thing. Again, this could be for December daily as well if you do that. But I really wanted to check to see if the paper, no, so the paper's not double-sided. You just get 2 pages of each design, and then this paper's pretty thin. It's not like thick. It's kind of like the single sheets that Hobby Lobby has. So if you're familiar with that scrapbook paper, that's what this piece is, which is really great for planner stuff, because you don't want something too thick, especially when you're layering. I kind of prefer the thinner paper, but if you're like making albums, you might need a thicker cardstock. It just depends on the person, but just an FYI, this is the thinner paper stock. And then the other one I got is, they actually do have names. This one is called 12 Days of Christmas, and then this one's called Christmas Basic, which is like your typical red and green with the, what is that, buffalo Is that buffalo checker or is that just checker? Stickers. This one actually has little gems in it. So on the back, I love that they show you visually what's in here. So you actually have alphabet stickers, and then you have like deco stickers, and I love the pattern paper in this one. It's more whimsical and fun. And then the die cuts. Cute. So this one doesn't have the chipboard, but it has like these cute gems and the alphabet letters. So same price, $1.74, really great steal. Okay, the next thing I got, there was a lot of like single colored paper pad clearance items. I was, again, had a budget and I wanted this to be more functional and things that I could possibly use. So I found this one because I was looking again for seasonal items. This definitely screams fall. Give you guys kind of a close-up of this pattern, which I think this paper pad is very popular. It's the most find or favorite find in everyone's haul. So I'm glad my store had one. But I love the color palette. Hopefully my phone is focusing. But it has like the pumpkin spice lattes and the turkeys. And it has like a navy teal orange with the sunflowers. This was $13.99. It's called Fall Sunflower. 80 sheets. I don't think this is double-sided. No, this isn't double-sided. And it is thinner. It's the thinner cardstock, or I should say paper. Then cardstock to me is thicker. This was $2.74. So I'll do a flip here. Really cute. This is really great for making dividers, especially around this time of year. I feel like this is when everyone gets crafty in their planners. So making fun dividers, again, for junk journaling or memory keeping, just it's so endless. So I definitely wanted to pick this one up because it's really cute. So I didn't pick any other paper up because, again, I just didn't need anything, and I was trying to look through the other sections. So for planner stuff, they had one Happy Planner. That's a good time. If you like Happy Planner stickers, it's a good time to pick up stickers at Hobby Lobby when they go on clearance because they're like under $5. Like $5 to $3. They only had one. I don't even think I got a photo of it, but it was a floral sticker book. That's the only thing that I saw from Happy Planner. And then the rest was Agenda 52 on sale. They had some pens. They had these inserts. I can't remember. I didn't get pictures of everything. I should have, but so if you follow me, you know I have shared this particular insert. It is a non-dated daily. It has 18 weekly inserts. So if you get about 3 of these, it would cover you for a year. So I already have a pack, so I just got 2. I guess I could have got one more. There were a couple of these. So originally these are $7.49. I got it for $1.87. Again, they are the Agenda 52, which is for an A5. So I feel like, here's the measurements. Hopefully my phone is focusing. This would fit in a basic A5. So if you have like the Erin Condren or any other like Agenda 52 like rings planner, you can use these inserts. And what's great about this, you can use it as a disc system. You don't have to worry about the rings. You just slit the little punch holes right here and you can take them in and out. So this is a daily and it's double-sided though. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then a notes page. And again, this one pack is only good for 18 weeks. So you have to have a couple of these if you want to do a year of undated dailies, and it's just appointments to do. And then, yeah, so it has like Monday, the date, appointments, a little empty blank box, a to-do list, and then notes. I have shared this before. I wanted to pick them up so that way I could have this as an option. So I got that from the planner section. And then something that I did get that was not on clearance was part of the Agenda 52. When I go to, you know, if I decide to use this system, I have like this meal plan. I only got one pack though. So this is 26 double-sided sheets, meal planning inserts, which is nice because I'm always looking for meal planning pages. So you have a grocery list, you have the week here, It's double-sided, though, of 26 sheets. So these you'd probably have to pick up a couple, and my store was running at 40% off. Let me know if Hobby Lobby still does 50%, or is it just 40 now because they got rid of the coupon. I don't know. So I do wish they sold this in a bigger bulk, in my opinion. But so I think I only paid like $2 something for this. Again, the last couple of items in the craft stamping area. I didn't see much in my store. It could have been picked over before I even got there, but I only picked up these stamps. They did have some inking pads that were a little pricey in my opinion. For my, I don't know, price point. Again, I had a budget, but I have a lot of ink pads already, but they do have some, just mine was kind of picked over. And the only clear stamps that I liked was this one here by Bo Bunny. It's a rainbow stamp set with clouds and hearts. Really, really cute. Kind of reminds of Amy Tangerine, but this was only 99 cents. I mean, it was only $1. I feel like it should have been a little bit more on clearance for its original price, but I'm happy with it. The last things I found were in the sticker aisle. Not much in the sticker aisle for me, and in the washi section. Well, this was actually fall. I got these cute little sticker patch and the gem stickers, which are really cute in your planner, especially if you do like DIY dashboards, like a clear dashboard or something. I love using the clear gems just for like decor. So I got this holiday one, and then this fun daisy with the smiley face, and then these sticker patches are really great for your planner, or if you're building your own pencil pouch or something. So hopefully I can just keep these in my stash. I don't know exactly what I'll do with these just yet. And you may have to sew these. I've noticed, because I had gotten a embroidered, I think it was the Paper Studio brand. It doesn't, this adhesive isn't as strong, so you may have to like sew it on your bag, or glue a hot safety pin and maybe use it for your backpack or something. Just need something to secure it a little more, because the adhesive on these sticker patches are not strong at all. But that's what I found at my store. Lastly, in the fall section, they're just not putting fall stuff out in my store, and I'm gonna wait a little bit until it goes a little bit more on a good price. Again, it's only 40, and I feel like Hobby Lobby does do 50. I just can't remember. So there was a lot I wanted to get. Hopefully maybe next week, because I know me, if I wait too long for something that I see, I go back and it's gone. But I did get these little sunflower gems because they're just so cute, and again, this is something to decorate my planner with. So you get 12 pieces. I'm pretty sure they're individually. So that's all I got at Hobby Lobby for under $20. I think I did pretty good. I think I was hoping for more fall seasonal items, but I'm pretty happy with this. I do really want some more, like, I don't know, pumpkin stickers or patches. I don't know. I was just hoping to get more fall items. But if I decide to go back out, we'll see. It would be a different store not near me. But I'm pretty happy with my purchases. Let me know if you're able to find some fun goodies at your Hobby Lobby. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye.